Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss MCQs of ninth class Computer Science from chapter 1. First one MCQs is a dash is a statement or work that needs to be solved. Option A flowchart, option B algorithm, option C proposition and option D problem. A problem is a statement or work that needs to be solved. So its correct answer is option D. Next MCQs. In order to solve a problem, it is important to follow option A systematic approach, option B direct approach, option C indirect approach, option D all of these. We know that problem solving different steps are followed and all these steps are systematic approach. So its option is option A systematic approach. Next MCQs is the process of finding solution to difficult problem is called option A trace table, option B truth table, option C defining a problem and option D problem solving. The correct answer is problem solving, because in problem solving we find solutions to difficult problems. Next MCQ is which one from the following is not a step to solve a problem systematically. Option A defining a problem, option B understanding a problem, option C planning a solution and option D trace table. We note that all of the first three options, defining a problem, understanding a problem and planning a solution, is the part of problem solving, and option D trace table is not a part of problem solving. So its correct answer is option D. Next MCQ is which one from the following is a step to solve a problem systematically. Option A defining a problem, option B understanding a problem, option C planning a solution and option D all of these. We know that all of three steps are used in solve a problem systematically. So its correct option is option D all of these. Next MCQs is the next step after analyzing a problem. Option A planning a solution, option B defining a problem, option C selecting best solution and option D understanding a problem. So its correct answer is planning a solution, because first step is defining a problem in problem solving and second is understanding or analyzing a problem and the third one is planning a solution. So its correct answer is planning a solution, option A. Next MCQ is dash is a process helps us to find the right strategy for problem solving. Option A planning a solution, option B defining a problem, option C selecting best solution and option D understanding a problem. Its correct answer is planning a solution, because planning a solution is a process in which we find right strategy. We plan the solution for solving problem. Next MCQ is right strategy for planning solution is option A divide and conquer, option B guess, check and improve, option C act it out and option D all of these. All of these three steps are used in planning a solution, so its correct answer is option D. The phase or step in which programmer finds the right strategy for problem solving is option A defining a problem, option B planning a solution, option C problem analysis and option D is understanding a problem. The correct answer is planning a solution, option B. Next one is strategy divide a complex problem into smaller problem is known as option A divide and conquer, option B guess, check and improve, option C act it out, option D all of these. The correct Option is option A, divide and conquer, because in this strategy we divide complex and large problems into simpler ones and smaller ones. Next MCQ is the strategy of planning a solution, in which designer guesses a solution to problem and then checks the correctness of the problem is option A, guess, check and improve, option B, divide and conquer, option C, act it out, and option D, prototype. Its correct answer is guess, check and improve, option A. Next MCQ is strategy in which designer define a list of to-do tasks. Option A, guess, check and improve. Option B, divide and conquer. Option C, act it out. And option D, prototype. We know that in act it out strategy, we make a list of to-do tasks which have to be performed for solving a problem. So its correct option is option C, act it out. Now we are going to our next MCQ. The requirements for a flow chart are include option A, input, option B, output, option C, decision making, option D, all of these. All of these three steps, input, output and decision making, all these requirements are included in flow chart. So its correct option is option D, all of these. Input means option A, taking data from user, option B, displaying output, option C, processing input, option D, calculation input. So we know that input means taking data from the user or entering data into the computer system. So its correct option is option A, taking data from the user. Next MCQ is the dash steps are used for performing calculations and storing the results of calculations. Option A, input, option B, output, option C, processing, and option D, decision making. The correct answer of this is option C, processing, because the processing is the steps are used for performing calculation and storing the result of calculation. All of the calculation that happens in CPU is called processing. The processing steps in flowchart include option A, increasing decreasing two values, option B, adding multiplying two values, option C, dividing two values, option D, all of these. The correct option for this question is all of these, because all of these steps are processing steps in flowchart. Next MCQs is to determine whether a statement is true or false and taking appropriate steps accordingly is called option A, decision making, option B, input, option C, output, and option D, processing. The correct answer for this is option A, decision making. Next MCQs is in flowchart, output are used to option A, taking data from user, option B, displaying information, option C, processing input, and option D, calculation input. The correct answer for this question is option B, displaying information, because output are mostly, you know that output are used for display information. Next MCQ is dash exhibits the processed result information. Option A, decision making, option B, input, option C, output, and option D, processing. Of course, dash which one is exhibits or show the processed result information, that is output. Simply its answer is option C, output. Which one from the following is not a requirement for a flowchart? Option A decision making, option B input, option C output, and option D go to. We know that input is the step part of flow chart, output is also the step of flow chart, decision making is also the step of flow chart. Go to is not the step of flow chart, so the correct option is option D. Thank you.